Hello guys, welcome to Logic's Hub. In this video, we can find the value of this expression, which is 6 minus 6 divided by 6. So how can we find it? If you are new in my channel, then kindly subscribe to my channel. So first of all, according to PEMDAS, we can know that division have higher priority than subtraction. So firstly, in this expression we can solve division. So our expression is 6 minus 6 minus 6 divided by 6 equal to 1. Now guys, here 6 and 6 cancel with each other, and the final answer of this expression is -1. Guys, anywhere if you can face any issue, then comment. I will reply your question. Thanks a lot.